Welcome to another Moonlight Clean with me. This is the Winter 2021 edition. And in this video, I'm cleaning out my pantry, which is definitely in need of attention. I'm going to give the shelves a good wipe down with the 4 Monks cleaning vinegar. And then I'm going to wipe the shelves down with some Sun Essentials bay leaf oil. I make sure to pull out all the racks so that I can clean behind them and pick up any old bay leaves off the shelf, and I'll replace them with some fresh. The bay leaf oil is a noxious odor to pantry moths and weevils, so this is one way that I keep my pantry free of infestation. And I just worked on 2 shelves at a time. That way I didn't overwhelm myself and I could finish the process, and then I could start the other 2 shelves at a later date if need be. Those goldfish were in the back of the pantry in a canister and we couldn't see them, so I thought I'd bring them out and put them in a jar on the counter so they were more accessible. This package of crackers somehow or another got pushed to the back of the pantry. I can only imagine how stale they must be now. Now it's time to get my shelves put back in place so I can get things organized. It's amazing how many crumbs and just little bits of debris can get in the bottom of these baskets. It's day 2 and now I'm working on the other half of the pantry. And just like yesterday, I worked on 2 shelves at a time, got them cleared out, wiped down with the 4 Monks cleaning vinegar, and then an additional layer of the bay leaf oil solution. You can see that I keep most of my staples in mason jars. It just really works out best for me for longer term storage. And I like to put a couple of bay leaves in the bottom of the baskets. That just helps me to repel any little visitors. Well, I've got this pantry all sorted out. Is it Pinterest worthy? No. Is it practical, organized, and functional for me and my family? Yes. Let me walk you through it. On this side, I have what I call my staples. So I have back here things like beans and rice and things that I keep in mason jars, and I didn't put so much stuff up there that if I needed to get back there, I can now just kind of move a few things aside and I can get to, say if I needed to get to the sugar in the back. I used to have those things out here in this basket against the wall, and I moved that around because it's the basket that I'm always reaching for, and I'm taking things out looking for different kinds of teas. Those teas and those containers I use intermittently, so I'm going to leave this right here in the front where I can grab it when I need it. And this bread basket is going to be right there. This row here has some soups in it, and it's full of soup. This one I have what I call boxed foods, you know, taco shells and Jiffy Mix. And over here in the corner, I have packets like my taco seasoning mixes, straws, and different things like that. And you can see right there, everything is neatly organized. And then even there on the bottom, I've got some things neatly organized down there. So everything is working just fine. So I am really pleased with the fact that my pantry is now nice and neatly organized, and it works for me. Is it Pinterest worthy? No, but it is practical, it's efficient, and it works for me, and that's what's most important. If you're interested in seeing an actual pantry tour, let me know in the comment section below and I can do that. But for now, I just wanted you to see how I got it clean, decluttered, and organized. And if you need more motivation on organizing and decluttering and cleaning a space in your home, check out the playlist that I'm going to link in the description box below, because this video is actually a part of a January clean and organizing series. It is part of the Moonlight Clean with Me Winter 2021, hosted by moi, where I have challenged homemakers and creatives and whoever wanted to jump in to clean and organize a space in their home, and then share that with all of us. And if you want to see me get my pioneer woman on, check out the videos where I'm actually cooking over a grill or over a campfire. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out the playlist for the Moonlight Clean with Me Winter 2021, and I'll see you next time.